Yeah. What? What? Let's climb in the truck. By the way, it is Thursday today. I'm gonna climb in a truck. I think I might just leave this out here. Okay. What? Alright, this. What? 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 Sorry. What? What? I wanna be sad. What? What? Let's climb me out of here. What? What? Yeah. My nigger! What? God, fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Ow! What? No, mi amor. My nigger. I'm gonna hide back here with my. I'm gonna duck down when my dad gets in the car. And I'm gonna hide like this. Look. I'm gonna hide like this. Oh, there's someone right there. I'm sure they can't see me. I'm gonna hide like this. And then my dad won't be able to see me. That's him now. Let's get out. Wah! He's coming. Oh, give them to me.
No, I don't need fries.
No, I'm not gonna spill it. I'm not gonna spill it.
If I find one fry back there, you're in deep shit. I'm serious.
Thank you.
I'm tired of picking up trash.
Where are we going?
I guess take you home.
Oh,
There ain't nowhere to go, kid.
we can go to Walmart.
Babe, I gotta try to get some rest, babe.
Okay.
Told you. You want me home and run around like that? We gotta get out of there. Get out of there. The goddamn camper.
What do you think's gonna happen?
Huh?
What do you think's gonna happen?
I could be fired. Well, this car could break. I mean, there's a million more things that could happen.
I like the fries though. Really good. Better than McDonald's. It's comfortable back here.
I'll run over to AutoZone real quick.
Okay.
I'll see how much these fucking bulbs are over here. O'Reilly's is fucking retarded. They are. They think they're the shit.
Hand me my drink before you get out the car.
Okay,
How much were they at Harbor Freight?
what?
The lights?
Harbor Freight?
Yeah.
Oh, I wouldn't get them fucking bulbs from no Harbor Freight. Hell no. No, I want them to actually work.
Yeah, that's the truth.
I've gotten some from Harbor Freight before. You coming in or you staying here?
Sam, hand me my drink. Thank you. Whoa! What do you do?
I'm going to, hold on now. Don't talk.
Okay.
My mind's just gonna play. Oh, I need my phone. Show 'em what goddamn year this is. See how much bulbs on it. I'll get these wipers, dude.
Okay. Those fries are good. What? Let's see how I can get comfortable back here. Let me see how I can set my camera today. That's good. Enough. I'm gonna leave one of these. Yeah. Gotta fart. What? Yeah. Oh yeah. Now I have comfy clothes for you. That's perfect. I'll just lay this on my ass. Whoa! Oh, that's comfy. And then I'll just like duck whenever a person's coming. I need to go. I need to hide my fries. I need to pee. Lord. No. Hold on. I'm done with these. Hold on, I'll be back. There, they're in the back. Now let's get comfy. I need to lay this. Hold on. I need to grab my coat. So that way it's easier on my back. Where is it? Wow! He needs to hurry up. You know what? I need to go up front real quick and grab my phone so I can watch TikTok. I'll be back. Here we go. Hold on, y'all.
There's something wrong with you. Everybody sit there and constantly scream all day.
I was trying to pour my ice out. Sorry.
I can't figure these things out there.
Hold on. Hold on. Oh, woo! It is cold out there. Did you get it?
No, I didn't.
Oh.
Now, if you're riding up front, get your
No,
ass up
I'm
here.
coming.
Not
I'm
climb
going.
across the floor while I'm home.
No, I'm going back. I just shut the door, Dad.
Huh?
I just shut the door.
I'm waiting on putting my wipers on. I can see shit.
Wow. Ooh.
Burn up through the box. Yeah, they had the bulbs in there for $50 or $60, two of them.
Really?
Yeah, but not
Oh. This is comfy.
Huh?
This is comfortable.
What's coming?
This back seat.
You're hitting the ass. You're dead.
Well, I wish I could sit up. Wow.
The fuck it don't rain or something before I get that light on.
Yeah. Or at least snow. I wish I could sit up. Ew, I know who would have a phone holder.
That rest about it.
Ollie's.
Yeah, they would. Fucking a ridiculous amount.
Ugh.
Supposed to be so shit cheap when they do.
This is coming. Whoa. Where are we going? Okay. When can I sit up? Okay. No, I'll be okay. I'll just wait. I found Tony's stuff, by the way. His treats and the catnip from yesterday. Oh, I know. No. Mm. Really? You gotta work on the gas tank? No. I guess it's been a while. I don't even think anybody can really see me, considering the back window's dirty as hell. I got my head up a little bit, but not all the way. We do? Oh, I see him. Yeah, that car back there. It's probably the cats. Well. Oh. Get down.
Get up now.
Yay. Thank you. Is it a cop? Whoa! These sleds, dude. Well, we can go to the storage tomorrow. Oh yeah. Fuck. Here we go. Here we go. Wow. I wish we could go to your dad's real quick. Okay. least no one's behind us. Oh. Well, they're a bit back there. I'll be alright for a minute. Right. Let me get down. Wow. Yeah, I know. This is fun. Excuse me. What? What? Maybe they won't ask you to. What time? Wow. Oh, God.
Sounds good. Hey, Travis, are you all set for line haul 31, 32 tonight?
What?
Sit there and wait that late. See, that's why
The return.
I'm getting out. That job going bye-bye one way or a fucking another.
I know when I get home, I think I might get on my game for a while. I'm just glad tomorrow's Friday. No one's behind us.
Well, be in a minute.
Yeah, I know. Whoa. Here they come. Can we listen to his music? Dad,
What?
can we listen to some music? Wow. I wanna be. Ah!
Billboard, baby, do a leap and make them dance when it come on. Everybody looking for a dance floor to get on.
If you know I don't know, and if you know what I'm saying, I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. There in the sky, I'm a thing, shine just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you meet me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. Unshakable, unlevitated.
I'm getting up.
I got you.
Run that, starlight, I need you. Run that,
Another day for me. I'm levitating you. Roll that, starlight, I need you. Dance to me. I'm levitating.
I'm one of the greatest, ain't no debating on it. I'm still
Let me
levitated,
go out.
I'm medicated. Ironic, I gave him love and they end up hating on me. She told me she loved me and she been waiting.
Red
For
light.
your love and I'm running thin on my patience. Needed someone to hug, even took it back to the basics. You see what you got me out here doing? Might have threw me off, but can't nobody stop the movement. Let's go. Right foot, levitating. Pop stars, do a leap with the baby. I had to lace my shoes for the blessings I was chasing. If I ever slip, I'm trying to do a better situation. So catch up, go put some cheese on it, get out and get your bread up. They always leave when you fall, but you run together. Weight of the world on my shoulders, I kept my head up. Now baby, stand up, cause girl, you
You want me, I I want you, baby. Let's go, boo. I'm levitating. The Milky Way. I'm elevated. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you. Moonlight, moonlight, starlight. I need you. All night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You. Moonlight, moonlight, starlight. I need you. All night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. Fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. You're levitating. You want me, I want you, baby. Let's go, boo. I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you, moonlight, your light, starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. Fly away with me tonight.
I don't think I need to lay down.
Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
You're my starlight. I need you. All night.
come on, dance with me. I'm levitating.
Yeah. Yeah, all right. Turn it up.
Dangerous. If you're one of us, then roll with us. Cause we make the hipsters fall in love when we got our hot pants on and up. And yes, of course we does. We run in this town just like a club. And no, you don't wanna mess with us. Got Jesus on my necklace. And take a toe on my eyes. Stockings ripped all up the side. Looking sick and sexy fine. So let's go. Let's go! Tonight we're going hard, just like the world is ours. We're tearing it apart. You know we're superstars. We are who we are. We're dancing like we're dumb. Our bodies going numb. We'll be forever young. Yeah. You know we're superstars.
We are who we are.
DJ, turn it up. It's about
What? What? Nothing. Watching for the cats. What? It's warm back here. Fun. What? Ha! What? Damn! Those cars that you said was coming up behind us, they're all the way fucking back there. I said, those cars that you told me that were coming up behind us, they're all the way back there. They ain't even close. Well. Oh. Huh? I know. Hold on. Wait until we get to it. Fuck. Here I come. No. 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 myself.
Get ready. That car is trying to beat us up there. Hey, what are you doing? It shouldn't be that hard to get up here, kid. Come on. Come around. Why don't you be building them? Why you up back there?
That was funny. No! I'm funny as shit. Sorry. No, here's what happened.
Oh, wait a minute. I checked here, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was funny was I was getting up here and you had to stop because there was a car coming up. So I braced for myself and I on my head. And I was not. I get in it. Woo! That was funny. Shut down. I'ma go bang.